Many people are angry for this person's love for you. This individual has a strong love for you. And for some of you, I feel as if it's someone that you are in a long distance relationship with. For others of you, I feel as if you are in the talking stages with. And for some of you, it's a secret admirer. And they may tell like their family and friends about you. They may show their family and friends pictures of you, right? And I feel as if this person sees you as very stunning, very beautiful. You could belong to a different cultural background than this individual. And this is one of the reasons why a lot of people are up in arms about how this person feels for you. You are different from this person's usual type. You are different from this person's ex-partners. And I feel as though this person doesn't care. All they feel is that they have this strong connection to you. You know, in the past, this individual was holding themselves back from going towards what they wanted and who they wanted, which is you. It's as though they've become enlightened. They are now realizing, or they have realized, that if they hold themselves back any longer, then they are going to do themselves a disservice. They are going to miss out on an opportunity. They've been waiting for a long time to connect with someone like you, and they never felt that someone like you actually existed. They were closed off emotionally. So maybe in the past, if you do know of this person, if you have connected with this person, they were not expressing their emotions to you. I feel like this person threw themselves into work, trying to forget about the connection, trying to forget about you. For others of you, this person became awakened by their emotions. And this is not a person that is a feeler. Okay, yes, let me rephrase. They do feel, but they stuff their emotions down. This person gained some clarity, and the clarity that they gained was that they have to let other people know how they actually feel for you. And for some of you, I feel like they told other people about their feelings before they actually told you. And this wasn't something that was easy for this person to do. I feel like some people were quite shocked about what this person was saying. Other people were quite angry, but they hid their emotions. I also feel like this individual wasn't very obvious in regards to their emotions for you, for some of you, but they kept mentioning your name. And by them mentioning your name all the time, people started to pick up on the fact that this individual actually likes you. This person kept thinking about you all the time, and they keep thinking about you all the time. And this individual does have a lot of admirers. And I feel like another way that this person was able to let on to others about their true feelings for you was by turning down any advances from other love suitors. You know, they rejected other people that showed an interest in them. And at the time, they didn't realize why they were doing it. But the more they spent time with themselves, the more they thought about you, and the more they realized that the reason why they were rejecting others was because of their love for you. Now, some people know of how this person feels for you, and they're not happy. And some of these individuals are family members. For some of you, this individual was married before, and their ex-spouse may have felt like they can have a second chance with this person that you are dealing with. But this individual made it be known that they wanted you. They see success with you. You know, they see you as their wish fulfillment. They see you as their ideal. They see you as their energetic match. I feel like this person could be in the public eye. They could be very popular. They could be very well sought after. They could be very well established in their career. And they see you in the same light. This individual is willing to go against anyone that tries to deter them from you. Many people have told this individual that it's wrong to have these feelings for you, that they should forget about you, but they can't and they won't, because they see you as their empress. They feel like you are their soulmate. They feel like you are now connecting again in this life. They don't care about all the other options because you quite simply stand out from the rest. You cancel everyone else that wants this person's attention. You shine so brightly. You glitter, you sparkle. You make this person happy. Whenever this person sees you or hears from you, they feel giddy inside. They find you exciting and they want to offer their cup of love to you. They want to offer you everything that they didn't offer you before, because maybe in the past, this connection was not an equal balance of give and take. Maybe you were doing all the giving, you were doing all the phoning, the texting, whatever the case was. And the reason why they held back was because they were thinking about what their family and friends would think. And they are certain family members that this person does have that actually accept this relationship. You know, they're happy for your person to be with you because they see how much you make your person happy. But there is an individual or some individuals who are very angry, very bitter, very vengeful. Could be this ex-partner, could be an admirer. You know, there's someone that does not want this connection to unfold. They have a lot of judgment about this connection. This person wants to bring conflict to this actual situation. They don't want this actual situation to exist. For some of you, this could be someone that is trying to compete with you. This individual feels the need to try and move towards this other person to stop and block them from coming towards you. This other person is extremely angry because maybe in the past they wanted a relationship with the person you're dealing with, or they were an ex-spouse and things didn't work out. And they just don't want you to have that opportunity to experience true and genuine love, because even though they're very angry about this connection between yourself and the person you're dealing with, they can sense the love. And they are envious because they feel as if the person that wants you will never want them. They see the way your person looks at you. And I say your person, no one belongs to us, but I just say your person to make it easier for you to understand. You know, this person has tried to cast judgment upon your head. They try to make other people look at you in a bad light. You know, they try to team up with other people to destroy this connection, to scare you away in some cases. This is a spiritual bully that you and your person are dealing with. You know, they send out spiritual attacks to delay your connection. Maybe they text your person telling them not to move towards you. Or maybe it was just through thought. And then taking action to make sure that there were blockages in the way of you and the person that you're dealing with. But it didn't work. Your person doesn't want to wait any longer. For some of you, your person wants to book a ticket and come and see you and spend time with you and perhaps live with you. For others of you, your person is tired of watching you on social media. They want to reach out to you. For others of you, this person is going to let it be known to you that I'm here in Donna Jones, where I want to be. They want to be with you. This person has matured because of you. You know, for some of you, this individual has told this person that they will never return to the home that they shared with them. It's over. They are moving towards you. You know, they're working through their emotions. They are doing the healing work. And they are willing to block out anything or anyone that tries to deter them from coming to you. They are being awakened to the fact that people have been prejudiced towards this connection. And what they know for sure is that they want you and that they